Good day everyone, I'm Christiana of Crisp&Clean Laundry Namibia. We are a laundry cleaning service business based in center of Windhoek. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to machine wash lightweight blankets. And so without wasting time, let's get into it. So these are the blankets I'll be washing. They are all throws, as you can see. This is a large throw. This one is a medium throw. And this one is a towel. So I've added the towel in just to add extra weight to the laundry I'm washing. As you can see, these items are all quite stained and they need some washing. And so because they are all light colored, I'm going to wash them all in the same wash cycle. This is the washing machine that I'll be using to wash these blankets. It is one of Defy's latest top-load washing machines, and it's also a 14 kg automatic top loader. So first I start off by putting the blankets in the machine. And when you put the laundry in the machine, you make sure you don't overload the machine with the laundry. You make sure that you leave space for the laundry to move around during the washing process. So as you can see inside, the machine is not overloaded with the laundry. There is space inside the machine for the laundry to move around during the washing process. After putting the laundry in, now I need to put the detergent in. So over here, this is the compartment where I put the detergent. On this side, this is where I put the detergent. And then on this side where it's written softener, that's where I put the softener. That's how it looks inside. For this washing, I'm not going to use a softener. I'm just going to use a detergent. So I'm going to go ahead and pour my detergent in. I'm using this detergent to wash the blankets. It is Ariel powder detergent for machine wash. So I'm pouring it on this side. When I pour the detergent in, I pour in an amount that I can tell that is enough to wash this amount of laundry. Okay, so this is the amount of detergent that I have put in. I'm going to go ahead and close the detergent box. Okay, and then I'm going to start. So after putting the blankets and the detergent in, now I'm going to switch on the machine and set it up for a lightweight blanket wash. So I've switched on the machine and I have set the program to heavy. Heavy is the correct setting for lightweight blanket wash. After setting the program, the machine automatically sets the time needed for washing and the washing processes required to do the washing. So now it's busy soaking the items. So the washing process is done. So after that, I'm going to switch off the machine and take out the blankets for drying. So the blankets are washed, and as you can see, they are very well cleaned. Now I'm going to take the blankets and have them air dried on the hanger. This will only take less than 3 hours since most of the water is already sucked out of the blankets during the spinning process. Wow, so after the drying process, here we have the blankets amazingly washed, very clean as you can see, and smelling fresh. I love how white the towel is washed. This is how we wash lightweight blankets. This is how you can wash them as well and get amazing results depending on the type of washing machine that you have. As we have the latest Duffy top load washing machine, and it does an amazing job. If you don't have time to do the washing yourself, you can call us, we'll take care of it for you. Alright everyone, please like this video if it was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any video I post. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.